Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. In today's video, we're going to go over a new saw that we're making both the fences for and eventually the table insert. We don't have the table insert in this video because we actually are working on it right now. But this is an older model Metabo saw. They even made this configuration in a branded in Hitachi, and the model numbers will show in a few minutes here, or hopefully not a few minutes, a few seconds here, and go over that. But basically what we want to talk about the similarities in the fences. This particular model here and this one right here, they have the same fence hole locations. So we offer 3 different fence configurations for these 2 models that we show, and there's 2 models of this one. Those 3 configurations would be necessary for whoever's using it. So if you're using the saw for mostly cutting straight cuts, 90 and 0, you probably would want to go with this one right here. And if you allow him to, the camera guy, to look at the title block, what that limitations are what is described in that description right there. You can't do 45 each way, but you can almost get it. But it's going to give you the highest point right here. So if you're cutting primarily those angles or less than those angles, you're going to have the maximum material support vertically, and you're also going to have a 0 clearance here. As I mentioned, we're going to be getting to the table insert here shortly on the next video we do, but we'll be offering that for that too. On this one right here, we're showing what we call this is our standard version 0 clearance fence. This standard version 0 clearance fence also can go on here, but we're showing it on this model here and other models that works for. This is if you're cutting primarily any angle the saw cuts, but not in the slide mode. And this one also, this first one that he was shown in the camera, was the non-slide mode. If you need to use the saws, either model, in a slide mode, if you come over here, this is our notch version. This allows the saw to be angled either left or right in a full cutting capacity in the slide mode, and this is our notch version. All these kits come with both the right and the left fence. They also come with the hardware kit, comes with that kit. If we pan over here, this is our 0 clearance insert. All our inserts for this model saw here come with the insert and the washers that adjust the 0 clearance table insert height to the deck. All 3 or all 4 of these products can be found on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. If you like this video, like, subscribe, or share. Don't forget, if you need the best, choose CFS.